Channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your partner on your Facebook. You're married, so you want to add your partner. You want everybody to know, oh, this is my wife, this is my husband now on your Facebook. Let's get started. Open your Facebook. Sorry guys, let me go back. Okay, now this is our Facebook. Let me show my tab. Next step, click on your profile picture. Scroll up, click on these three line dots. Click on edit, scroll up. Now this is married, click on your married. Now scroll up. This is your relationship, click on the Spencer. Now your partner. Now go and find your partner. You tag someone on your partner. A partner on your Facebook too. Is a friend on your Facebook too. Just go and search for it. I'm going to search for the person now. Tag someone. Okay. Now they're gonna give you some name. Just choose the name of your partner. Okay, I will select partner in here. So just find your partner here. Sorry, I'm just trying to find any part. Just type any partner. Let's see. So okay, let me just see. Okay, now just find any partner, click on the partner. Once you click on the partner, just click on save. And you want everybody to know, you can control it here. If you want only you to see it, click on only you. It is only your friend, or you want them to know that this is your partner, this is your wife, this is your husband. Click on only your friends. And if you want everybody to know, click on public. So once you are done, and you can now choose the dates you married. Here you can see this one is for your year, and this is month, and this is date. So once you're done, just click on save. And once you save that, automatically Facebook, you can see married to, you can see here. So guys, it's very simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe. Thank you guys, and click the like button.